back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is a little bit different. Even though the job title is Solutions Support Specialist, this is not a customer service role where you're going to be taking inbound calls. What it is you are basically a support person for the internal employees and your teammates that you'll be working with, and they work with the customers. So you'll help them basically brainstorm different solutions to the customer's problems when they can't figure out the issue themselves. So you'll actually be working internally with the other employees and not with the customers. We're going to dive all into it. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, the company MuckRack, again, they're hiring a solution support specialist. MuckRack is a software as a solution platform for public relations and communication professionals. But they are looking for somebody to serve as an internal subject matter expert to help internal team members navigate more challenging conversations with prospects and customers. So if you are great at looking at a situation and coming up with the right words to say or the right things to do, this might be the perfect position for you. You'll serve as a crucial resource for those internal team members as they guide prospects and customers through the evaluation process of the product. You'll directly and indirectly support the customers through the sales process by addressing any technical objections and providing assistance to your, again, internal team members. You'll act as the go-between person or liaison between the product, marketing, and sales teams by sharing customer feedback to help influence the product roadmap. You'll also be training and educating the internal employees on the latest MuckRack product offerings and features. So you are there to help the employees come up with solutions when they cannot brainstorm and think of anything themselves. Two heads are always better than one, and you're also there to learn more about the products and offerings and train the internal employees. So you are basically the customer support for the internal employees. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. Of course, it's always preferred, but they're looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of professional experience with at least 1 year in some kind of a technical sales, consult, development, or support role. They want somebody who has worked with Slack, Zoom, or some kind of ticket managing system before. Someone who has a strong track record of working in customer-facing roles. So if you've ever been a server, worked in retail, done any kind of customer support, someone who has great time management skills and great interpersonal skills since you're going to be working with the other employees. You also need to be able to be a problem solver and have a creative approach to solving different problems. Now, if that is you and you are a great brainstormer, this job is paying very, very well, anywhere from $30 an hour all the way up to $33 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.